In 1995, Emdogain started a revolution in dentistry, setting a new standard in periodontal regeneration. With its proven success in revitalizing smiles and renewing patients' confidence, Emdogain gained the trust of dentists worldwide in the 2000s. With 30 years of success, nearly 2,000 scientific publications, and over 3 million patients treated, Straumann Emdogain stands as an undeniable proof of effectiveness, setting the gold standard for the world's leading professionals. Inspired by nature and powered by science, Emdogain is a unique gel containing enamel matrix derivative designed to leverage the body's natural healing process for optimal periodontal regeneration. It fulfills its purpose, restoring the healthy condition of both hard and soft tissues. Times may change, but Straumann Emdogain remains the leader in regeneration. Yesterday, today, and for the future. Straumann Emdogain, crossing generations, leading regeneration.